Hey there, without much ado, let's begin today's video. So Threads is a new app from Instagram and we will talk about how you can create an account using or from Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram app and open your profile and click on the three lines here. Now you should see this Threads option and I want you to click on this option. It will take you to this animated overlay. Once you click on the Open Threads app, it should take you to the app, or if you have not already downloaded the app, it will take you to the App Store where you can install it first. Now here you have the option to log in with Instagram account. Make sure your Instagram account is logged in so you can use that to sign in here. Once you tap the button, it should take you to this page where you can import your profile, which basically means you can import your name, bio, and everything else which you may have on your Instagram profile and use it here, which is what we're going to do. And now you have the option to whether you want to keep your profile private or public. So I'm just gonna keep my profile public here and click the next button. And it will allow you to follow all the people you follow on your Instagram account. So if you wish to follow them all, you can click the follow all button, or you can manually follow them if you wish to only follow a certain number of people. Once you're done with that, click on the join button. Alright, so here we have the home feed. It is basically like every other social media app. For example, like Twitter, you can like a post by tapping this heart button, or you can leave a comment. And you have also the option to share them on your Instagram story or tweet them on Twitter. You can copy link or share via other methods. And you can also repost or repost it with your own unique comment. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. Do leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video.